Hello, and welcome to another Multisensory Monday. My name is Kathleen, and I'm a dyslexic here to help other dyslexics and their parents. Today, we are going to be talking about subtraction manipulatives. So this is a follow-up from last Monday's addition manipulatives. So we're just going to talk about how to do it with subtraction. So if that interests you, then let's get into this video. Okay, with subtraction manipulatives, there are 5 steps. So the first one is to build the problem. Again, use what you have in your house. If you have manipulatives, use them. If you don't, use toys. You can use whatever. The more buy-in you have with your child, making it fun, the easier this becomes. So the first one is to build the problem. The second one is to say the problem. The third one is to touch and count the numbers. The fourth one is to solve the problem. And the fifth one is to say the problem one more time. So here is our example for today. So the first one is to build the problem. So 8 minus 5. I've built it. I have put 8 blocks on my board or wherever you choose to solve this. The second one is to say the problem. So 8 minus 5. The third one is to touch and count the numbers. So this is done a little bit differently than addition, but you'll see how it works. So the first one is to count 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The next one is going to be to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your child might notice that there's not a group here and a group here, like with an addition, because we're taking things apart with subtraction. So they're going to have to just count the same blocks. And then to solve the problem, you're going to have to go 8 minus 5. So we know 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 5. So we start taking them away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've taken 5 away. Now we count what's left. 1, 2, 3, and they'll write 3 down. And then for the fifth step, to say it one more time. 8 minus 5 equals 3. There you have it. Simple tips for subtraction manipulatives. I know subtraction is a little bit harder of a concept to understand than addition. And so this is a great way to practice it because they're seeing things be removed from the board or they're subtracting space. So that is why I really like this, and it's to help and visualize because they are removing these. And so this is one of the easiest ways to visualize and see subtraction, and it helps just learn the concept. So this is great for dyslexics, students with dyscalculia, and anybody struggling with math. So if dyslexics can understand this, then this becomes very easy for anybody else. To recap, the 5 steps are to build the problem. Number 2 is to say the problem. Number 3 is to touch and count the numbers. Number 4 is to solve the problem. And the fifth one is to say the problem one more time. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to seeing you next Monday in my next Multisensory Monday video. See you then. Bye.